Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking by. Quick one today, I want to quickly design, or let me see, I want to quickly show you something. I'm obviously a Photoshop designer, but designing stuff like this in Photoshop can be a little bit stressful, especially when it comes to effecting something into multiple pages. So for that reason, I'm going to be showing something I discovered in CorelDRAW as a newbie in CorelDRAW, right? I obviously don't design in CorelDRAW, but I just found it fascinating, and for someone who uses Photoshop, who is trying to do one or two things quickly on CorelDRAW, I'm glad to show you this. So this was handed over to me. It was designed in CorelDRAW, and I was to effect a change on the date, and I have about 16 pages, as you can see here, 16 pages. So there's something I just found out, and it was really helpful for me, so I felt like let me share it out and let's see how people. Now I want to change this date, and I want it to go across multiple pages, so I'm just going to do 4 to 5, or 1 to 4 something, because the pages are so much, and this is just a tutorial purpose, just for educational purpose, and not something too serious. And that was why I had to cover up the whole stuff, just to show the emphasis on what I wanted to change, which was the date, only the date, and probably maybe the expiry date or something. So now I'm going to come to page 1. So now I will click on this date. I'll go to Windows, I'll go to Dockers, then I'll go to find and replace, which you can use a shortcut Ctrl F instead of going through these rigorous steps. So Ctrl F will just do the same thing. Now what am I trying to do? I'm trying to find and replace, right? So now I'll click on find. First off, I'll click on find. Then I'll click on names and property. Names or styles. Then I'll click on. I'll click on object name, right? What I want to do is I want you to find on all the pages. I want you to find let's say September 10. So I'm going to type in September 10 2025. Now if you want to change the style, you want to do anything, let's say you want it to be a thick line or anything, you can do that here, which I'm not concerned about that. Then after that, so once you are done with that, then you can click all pages. After you've done that, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come here and click on replace. So by default, it's going to find on all the pages where it can find September 10, 2025 right now. So I'm going to say replace, find and replace. Sorry, I made a mistake. I should have clicked find and replace text. So I'm going to type again here now, September 10, 2025. So after that, I'll come here and click on replace. Now find will go. Okay. So after that, yes. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I will click on replace. Then I will just say October 2025, or let me see 2026, so that the effect can show. You can see some other things you can use to find it. You can use match keys. I'm going to use the all words only. So after that, I'm going to click on replace all. Oh, I just noticed something now, and I think it's very much case sensitive. I forgot to put the comma, which is this. So I'm going to put the comma, then I'll come here and put the comma. Now what happened, why it said not found, was that obviously September 10, 2025 is different from September 10, 2025. So based on the algorithm and how it was programmed, at this point now it has to do with ambiguity. That's I'm trying to remember this word for compiler construction, right? The way it was compiled, there. it has confused the compiler. So the compiler does not really understand what this is trying to say. It doesn't understand the instruction it was given because you couldn't find that character in it. So that's just by the way anyways. Now I'm going to replace all. Now it said replace complete. Now you can see from September 10 to October 2026, you can see how it made life really easy. Now you can see how it has replaced everything just at once. Now I replaced everything at once. You can see this is October 20, 2026. This is my page 1, as you can see. This is my page 2, as you can see. This is my page 3, as you can see, and this is my page 4, as you can see. So this is very easy. Now if you're a Photoshop designer who is just trying to use this, what I would say is you can design your certificate in Photoshop, then maybe just to input their names, you can just come right here, create the number of pages you want, ensure that you've set up the design on those pages. Now what you will just do is you can do for one, right? You can put a name for one, then duplicate, and once you duplicate, you can copy on other pages, then you can just replace everything at once, and it will become very much easy for you to do. Right, so basically that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful as a Photoshop designer trying to use CorelDRAW to soften your life. Obviously I'm not a CorelDRAW designer and I found it somehow a bit challenging, though I can just do some minor things on it and not something too serious like that. I hope this is helpful. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comment section, and drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're just seeing my video for the first time. That's going to be all for this tutorial today, and I'll see you some other time. Thank